I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. We've got an excellent property for you here in Toronto for lease. It's 15 Madonna Gardens. It's the lower level of Madonna Gardens that features access to a fully landscaped backyard with barbecue, private covered rear entrance, an open concept design with no carpet, upgraded laminate floor, a full laundry room shared access with a storage area, and you've got a full dining room with a kitchen combined and a games room with a wet bar. So it's quite a beautiful space. It even comes with one driveway parking spot, and the location's exquisite in the sense that it's just steps from TTC access that Islington and Steeles. So if you'd like to know more about 15 Madonna Gardens basement, please contact me, Eric Mattei, at info@matteirealty.ca or 416-557-7653. Thank you.